Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel this beautiful day, and today we're going to look at how to create a translator app, a voice translator app. And you go to your MIT on your Google browser, type MIT App Inventor, and then you get you to a page where you need to click on create apps, after which you will get to this interface where I am at the moment. The first we need to do is to bring a vertical arrangement. This is now layout, so go over to layout and pick vertical arrangement. This is the vertical arrangement, and click and drop on your screen. And then when you drop on your screen, you now need to go to height and put fill parent, and then you now go to width and put fill parent. After that is done, what you need to do next is to go to your media section where you have to bring in an image. Let me look for an image here. Yeah, I think go to the user interface. That's where you see it. Good. So user interface, pick an image and drop, and then you go over to pick your button and drop as well. So this is all you need. And then for this image, for these buttons, you need to put them at the center. So go back to all components and click on vertical arrangement and choose center, align horizontal to center and align vertical to center. So we have this. Now click on your image and see how we can go to picture. So we can click upload, and then we choose a file and see how we can bring it in. So choose a file, and as soon as it loads, pick this file here, click on open on OK, and we should have that file loaded on our system. So this is the picture we've picked. What we need to do now is to show the height of this picture is put at 50. So go to 50%, put 50%, and then we click OK. Then for the width, we put 50, I think 50%, right? Yes. Well, let's put automatic and let's say it looks very good. Now let's look at the vertical arrangement and turn that vertical arrangement background to black. Ooh, so that it fits in with what we have. So it looks nice, right? So when we start the button, so when we click on the button, this voice, whatever the speaker would speak to us. So to do that, for that, you just need to go to your button and then click on button. So click on button already, and then you're gonna put font size. So let's type something first before we go to font size. So go to the text of the button and type voice. So click voice. So this is up to have, and then voice. Let's put a height of 70%. I think that's very good. Okay, I just leave it at automatic, and then let's put the width at 50%, 70%, and let's see if it's going to go as far. Okay, I'll make it 50 instead of 70. You just make it a sizable button. It's very good. For me, I love text. Like, let's make a color of the button to be blue. I love blue colors a lot. Or let's make it red. So we make it red. I think blue looks good on it. Blue looks on it. Let's go blue, and then we go over to the text color and choose white. So wow, so it's beautiful. Now let's move the text font to 20. This is amazing. So this app is looking very good already for the interface, and so we just need to drag and drop the speech recognizer and the other stuffs. So go to your, so you have your palette, and then click on user interface, and then we now need to go bring in go to the media. Then let's see how we can bring in first of all, let's bring in speech recognizer, drag and drop. I'm going to show on the screen. Then second, let's be able to bring text to speech, drag and drop. And then lastly, let's have command translator, drag and drop. So that is it. So I believe you understand how to build your interface. Interface looks so amazing. About mic. So what we're building is this translator app. So when we click on voice, or we say something to our system, so the phone, now we click on this voice, we get to hear it translate to us in the voice of that amazing language. Let's go to screen one and change the name to title to translator. So good. So we have a title app as translator. Now let's go to the block section and let's block this out. So to the block section, what we need to first of all do is go to button one, and when you click on button one, bring when button one is clicked, put in the middle, and then go to speech recognizer and pick this speech recognizer. We're going to pick call speech recognizer, call speech one recognizer, this, and click it in. Then we now need to go to speech recognizer again, and we're going to pick when speech recognizer, after getting text, what should they do? So pick it, drop it in the middle, and then they go over to translator one and pick what we call the call translator one and click it in here. And then afterwards we need to go to our text section and get this text and click it here, and in this place we want to translate to French. So FR is for French, and put an enter key. I'll click on enter key, and then after that we would now need to click on results, and when we click on results, yes, gets results, and so we click get results there. And then finally we'll go to our translator one again and pick when translator one is picked. So when try and speak, what should we get? I'll go to our text to speech, and then on text to speech we're going to pick call text to speech to do what will it do? Then we click on translation. I'll click on translation, and we get translation. So that's that. So let me explain this code for you in a bit. So what we've done so far is when button one is clicked, call speech recognizer gets a text, and then when text is now converted to French, gets result, and then gets to translated. That's amazing how you can build this translator app in seconds. I'll go over to our designer app, and then we look over here where we have connect, click on connect, click on AI companion, scan this code, and when you're done scanning this code, you would get your app on your phone and you can click on it. So that is all for now, and I believe that if you have followed this video and follow the process one after the other, I believe you've been able to build your first translator app. And if you want to save it on your phone, you can come to build and also build an Android APK file, get it installed on your phone, and you will have an app on your phone which you'll be using all day long. So I love the fact that you love this video. Please, if you do want more of this video, to support me, please do well to subscribe to this video and do well to like this video and drop a comment on if you've tried out these steps. Do have a nice day. Thank you.